Dear parents, do you remember when you were a child, you were thinking or you were assuming that whatever your parents says, that is the ultimate truth. Their behavior, their style of making decisions and taking actions and everything, whatever they do, that is the reality and that is the ultimate truth. That is the way to handle the things and that is how you should handle the things in your life or you should manage your life. But as you grown up, you realized that is not the only way. There could be different ways. There could be different behavior patterns. There could be different styles of making decisions and taking actions. When we become adult, we realize that our parents were not wrong, but they were not right all the time. But by the time we realized it, we had copied, we had already programmed ourselves. And this programming is affecting our life maybe in a healthy way or maybe in unhealthy way. Now just check and think that your parent were good in money management, excellent in money management. Then there are chances and possibilities that you are also handling and managing money very well. But in case parents were not good in money management, then there are chances and possibilities that you are also struggling with money. And most of the time it applies to all areas of life. Now imagine if parents are not aware of themselves, not aware about their patterns, if parents are not skilled enough, then what is the cost their child has to pay? Just think about it. It is very important to become aware of your own self. It is very important to become aware of your own pattern. What are you carrying in your inner child? What are you carrying as a parent from your parent? And what are you giving to your child? Because our children have given us full access of their mind, full access of their life. And we have opportunity to create the best possible life for them. To create best possible human being creation of life. Now let's see basic skills we need as a parent. I think there are two important skills we need as a parent. One is, the first skill we need is observation skill and the second one is communication skill. Now why observation skill? If you have good observation skill, then you can understand your child's nature. And if you have good communication skill, then you can nurture that nature effectively and effortlessly. And when you as a parent nurture their nature effectively and effortlessly, you are contributing in their life in very healthy way. And here I am inviting you for the workshop where I can share with you few activities and techniques using which we can develop our observation skill and communication skill. So this workshop is organized by Kids School in Dombivali on 27th of November. There you will also learn how you can find out your own patterns, how you can change your own patterns so that it will benefit your children. So let's come together for our future generation. Thank you. This is Shubhada Bhave, teacher, trainer, entrepreneur and parent.